Good day to my future employers. My name is Susan Pascual, 42 years old. I am married with one son, aged 10 years old. Way back 2005 until 2014, I was hired as a domestic helper in Lebanon for more than 9 years. I served 3 adults, and my main duties there are cleaning the house, organizing it, and doing the laundry, washing the dishes, marketing, cooking, and baking for the family. Then on 2016 until 2018, I was hired as a household worker in Hong Kong for 2 years. I finished my contract and I served Popo and Madam, 2 adults, and 2 children aged 6 years old and 2 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house and organizing it, cooking for the family, doing the laundry, washing the dishes, and I also accompany the children whenever they have activities outside the house or school activities, especially when my madam is not around. I also stay with them whenever they want to play in the park during their free time. I am very trustworthy person, I am well organized, and I am obedient. So I hope that you could choose me. I'm looking forward to work with you. Thank you and have a good day.